Let's explore how to blur a face in CapCut on your PC. It's a detailed process, so let's go through it step by step. The first step is to duplicate our video. Copy it, paste it, and layer it over the original. Now, let's add the blur effect. Click on the Effects option at the top and look for the blur effect. It should be under the Lens section, but if not, check other sections for the regular blur effect. Drag the blur effect onto the timeline, overlaying it on the video. Once both videos and the blur effect are added, create a compound clip. Select the effect and the overlay, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This merges the effect and the video together. Now, ensure your second video is selected, find the Mask button, and click on it. Choose the circle mask since we are blurring someone's face. Resize and reposition the circular blur over the face, taking your time for precise adjustments. You can also refine the edges by adjusting the feather slider for a smoother look. If your camera is static, you're done. However, if there's movement, you'll need to add keyframes. Go to the beginning of your video, click on the position keyframe, and add a keyframe for the size. Move to the part where adjustments are needed, add keyframes, and move the mask accordingly. Repeat this process until the end of your video. Once done, you can save and export your video. And there you have it. You've successfully blurred a face in CapCut on your PC. Thanks for watching.